So guys, for anybody that's watching, I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. My name is Ryan and this is RC's World, and we're just following up with the previous videos where I did have the plans for the Bat Bandit, which is this custom RC that I have built in front of us, designed by myself, and we're going to be taking it out for the speed runs to see how fast this can go, if we can overcome that 70 mph that Traxxas claimed to advertise with the original motor and ESC, which most people struggle to get. So guys, we have got this still paired up with the 16 tooth pinion and the 34 tooth mod 1 spur gear, and that's used in combination with the 2250 kV 1 to 8 scale 6S brushless motor. The three batteries that we're going to be using, guys, are the graphene Turnigay 3000 mAh 75C 3S Lipo. Now we've got the same spec for the 4S Lipo and the same spec for the maximum speed 6S Lipo battery, and we're going to be tracking the speed with this GPS speed tracker, which will just sit on top of the battery under the shell, and that's paired up with my mobile phone. Now we have got the wheelie bar set to the lowest setting, the foam wheels and tyres on the rear, which are the 17mm, and the front GRPs, and they're also 17mm hubs. So I hope you like the up and coming footage. There is going to be more from this if the diff can handle the speeds, and we will be increasing the pinion and lowering the weight of the RC even more, pushing it to the max like I said we were going to do, and seeing where we can go with this RC. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy the up and coming footage, and like and subscribe to RC's World. So guys, here we are out with the Bat Bandit and the 16 tooth pinion and the 34 tooth spur gear. So this is one of the venues that I found which will be a part of the channel, and it's long open car park for good speed runs. I've also set up the GPS tracking device, so as you can see it's set at 0 mph, so we'll see how fast it goes. Take it for a little blast in 3S and see how we go on. So it's running pretty well. Wheels and tyres are holding to the concrete. One more run. And we'll move on to 4S, see what we can do. So guys, 43 mph is a good start on only 3S Lipo, so we'll move up to 4S and let's see what it can do. So guys, now we're on the 4S Lipo battery. Now we'll just set up the tracking device again. So that's it started from the beginning, and we'll see how fast we can get on 4S Lipo. Run pretty well there. A couple of passes in. We'll see how fast we got. So guys, 56 mph on 4S Lipo, and the motor feels still really cool, so that's pretty impressive, guys. Now we're going to do the final run on the 6S Lipo battery, see what we can get with the 16 tooth pinion. So guys, for the final run we're going to be using the Traxxas Lipo battery. Let's see what I can do. So we're at 0. So let's see if it can hold up, guys. Throttle just for a moment there. I'll try and take it for a few more runs, guys, now that I'm getting comfortable with it. So just for a moment there too. And there we have it, guys, full speed. Very fast. And one more run, just in case. See what we can get. That's full throttle, guys, all the way. So let's find out what the speed is. And there we have it, guys. 76 miles per hour on Traxxas Lipo battery with the 16 tooth pinion and the 34 tooth spur gear, and the motor is only slightly warm. So we beat that 70 mile per hour already. Everything stayed stable and it all held together perfect, the diff, everything. So I'm super happy with that, guys. It just shows you what you can put together. Now we're going to increase the speed, the size of the pinion. Keep pushing this to the limit, guys, but I'm super happy with that. So keep watching and like and subscribe to RC's World.